Today I'll teach you how you guys can fix your Instagram not letting you make a new account. So whenever you're trying to make an account in Instagram, you need to enter an email or a phone number, and through that you can create an account. But if you have already created an account using that email or that mobile number, you cannot create another Instagram account. Most people do not know this, but for one email you can only create one Instagram account. For one phone number, only one Instagram. So until and unless you unlink that email or that mobile number from the Instagram account it is linked with, you cannot use those number or email to create a second Instagram account. So that could also be the reason why Instagram is not letting you make a new account, because Instagram thinks you already have an account. Alright, and you can also do this. If you want to use that phone number or that email, the account which is linked with that phone number or that email, just make sure you delete that, because if you delete the Instagram account, then the mobile number and the email will automatically be unlinked, and then you can use that email and mobile number to create a new Instagram account. But let's say the email and phone number you used is not linked with any Instagram account and you're still facing this issue. In that case, it could be your Wi-Fi. Sometimes due to slow Wi-Fi as well, it causes this problem. So check your internet connection if it is fast or not. And if your internet is not the problem, then just delete your Instagram app and reinstall it again. Sometimes due to a small bug it causes this problem, so deleting and reinstalling should fix it. So if you guys found our video helpful on how you guys can fix your Instagram not letting you make a new account, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future Instagram related videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, until then, have a nice day.